Jai Hind, everyone. Welcome back to the episode 2 of Decoding the SSB. If you've not watched the first episode, please do watch it since you don't want to miss anything for your SSB preparation. In this episode, we will be having Group Captain Rajesh Pandey, who will be explaining very crucial aspects of the service selection board, like what assessors are looking for in a candidate, what should be your daily routine prior to the SSB, and the importance of certain certificates that you will bring to the SSB. You definitely cannot miss this. Stay tuned.
And then I joined Scenic School Lucknow, uh, um which that was from seventh class onwards. So, and after doing my IC, as is a natural progression for a Scenic School cadet, is go into the NDA. So went into NDA, and I was an Air Force cadet. And after graduating from the NDA, went to the elementary flying school Bidar, where I flew the HT2s as a part of the elementary training, flying training. Then our course moved to Air Force Academy, where we flew the Kirans.
Because a lot of our viewers that will be watching this video, they are SSB aspirants, they're defense aspirants. So we'll move on to the technical sides a bit.
Okay.
My first question to you for regarding SSB is the what is the correct mentality for a cadet to have to get through the screening process? What is the screening process for, and what does it want in a candidate? What do the assessors want in a candidate in screening, especially?
Okay. So when we talk of the screening, that is a stage one, right? So we know that it comprises of the OIR, which is a very important part of the screening process.
Yes.
Then we have story writing test, right? So in which you presented a picture which is a little vague, and you're supposed to comprehend what's happening there, link it to what could have led to the situation, and then foreseeing in the future what this what could be the future of the story, right? Whatever you see. So we are looking at that comprehension, the ability to comprehend the situation, and form a story. Thereafter, it is your individual narration. Again, I keep telling the aspirants that this perhaps is your best opportunity to present yourself, without the fear of being interrupted and all. So for this, a person should practice as much as possible, and this can be done all alone. Story writing and individual narration. Then comes the most important or critical part of the stage one, which is the discussion test. Now, discussion test is something where I would say a person should be involved, right? Whatever he has written, the story he has written, that he has already narrated, that everyone knows. Now, you learning from the others, have you been attentive enough to listen to others' story? This is another aspect that we are also looking at. So, are you alive to others' stories, other views, right? So, उस time पे should be able to project or try and form some kind of a consensus, help in consensus building. If even if your story is not the one which is being accepted, right? You can always add, or you can always moderate some kind of thing. So the key is involvement. There are issues where you have those what do you call it, um, uh, everyone trying to speak at the same
Fish
time,
markets, I guess. That is what our
fish market,
SSB
fish
SSB
yeah,
told
yeah,
us.
which is a common thing,
Mm.
जितना जोश होता है शुरू शुरू में उठ के उतना ज्यादा होता है. The same thing perhaps at a graduate level entry, when you have those maybe seasoned repeaters, so they know कि यार इस टाइम पे कोई लड़के फायदा नहीं है, so let us give each other some time. So this kind of an arrangement, sort of, or this thing, maturity, that helps at that time, because fish market doesn't help anybody. So in fish market also, I keep telling people, okay, suppose you are, going in a metro, and this is the last metro that is there. So you have to step onto the metro regardless of the rush. Will you step back and say कि नहीं यार ठीक है जान दो बहुत भीड़ है? Will you do that?
No.
Or will you try and find some space and get inside the metro?
Of course.
So that is something that's anomaly which I keep giving the students कि
Right.
आपको कुछ ना कुछ अपनी जगह तो बनानी है, कैसे भी करके बनाओ.
100%.
And for
Yes.
this, of course, a lot of practice is involved, which is not possible online. So इसमें आपको एक ऐसा कोई ग्रुप वगैरह कुछ आपको करो, या चाहे अपने कॉलेज के हो, स्कूल के हो, जो भी बच्चे हैं उनके साथ में बैठ के आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करो. There is no what you call substitute to this kind of a practice as far as the discussion is concerned. Individual narration, story writing, other things, OIR, all these things can be done all alone. For this, you require some kind of a group, an offline group. And that definitely helps, your confidence, how we're putting up the ideas, etc. A little bit of guidance, coaching definitely helps. But what is more important is the confidence that you can speak even when there is a fish market, or you can present your point. You can, bring about some kind of a consensus.
Yes.
So ये चीज जरूरी है. So we are looking all these things. No, it's not that there are 3 assessors. We're looking at your story. किस तरह से आप कुछ grasp कर पाते हो कि नहीं. Are you doing it just for the sake of writing anything कि आपको कुछ पानी दिख गया तो आपने स्विमिंग में और कोई what do you call जंप लगा दिया बगैर सोचे समझे, कुछ आपको स्विमिंग आती तब भी आपने जंप लगा दिया. तो उस तरह की चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए. So it should be a realistic story, realistic, right?
I get it.
So these are the things. Of course, a little bit of practice definitely helps. And we are seeing कि involvement कितना है, कितना आपकी सूझबूझ है, और कितने confidence से आप बात कर सकते हो. The confidence is definitely something which comes only if you have those kind of skills, if you have practiced, and if you have that मालूम, उसी से confidence आता है. बगैर knowledge के, बगैर practice के confidence नहीं आ सकता है.
Okay, right. Sir, so my next question is, what is your take on overcoached candidates, or candidates who have their preconceived notions SSB को लेके, and how does it affect their candidature and their performance?
Yeah, good question. Overcoached question. Now, this is coaching, or the effect of coaching is a subject that as assessors we also discuss quite a lot. It's discussed even in DIPR. So what I feel, or in fact in today's times, if one says that he does not have any guidance or these things available, it's a very competitive world today, right? The applicants are 5.5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, as far as the NDA is concerned, right? So the competition is tough. So आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो मदद लेनी चाहिए. When everything is there on the platter, it's there on the YouTube, it's there, some guidance available in the form of, some coaching institutes or whatever. So guidance, taking coaching is no more considered as something, is frowned upon, not frowned upon.
Right.
Earlier times, maybe 70s, or so, earlier, we used to frown upon as assessors. ये तो coaching लेके आए, coach kind. नहीं, coaching is your birthright. Today, everyone is taking coaching, and it's a competitive world. So taking coaching is not a problem at all. And I keep telling the students, you don't have to hide कि you've taken coaching. You've taken a guidance, yes. So nothing wrong in that. In fact, the one thing that shows is at least you are motivated. You're motivated. That's why you've gone taken.
And you're serious for this. Exactly.
You're serious, right? You show interest in that. So, लेकिन ये है कि वो बोलते हैं अकल नकल के लिए भी अकल चाहिए. Okay. तो अगर आप कोचिंग लेके और बगैर सोचे समझे किसी ढर्रे पे चल रहे हो, फॉलोइंग कि अच्छा ठीक है ऐसा पूछेंगे तो ऐसा बोलेंगे, ये
Mm.
सिचुएशन आएगी तो ऐसे
Mm.
इसका रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. दैट
Right,
शुड
sir.
नॉट बी दैट. यू नो,
Right.
इट शुड बी रियलिस्टिक एंड इट शुड रिलेट टू यू. राइट, लाइक आई गिव एग्जांपल कि अगर आपने देखा कि पानी है, कोई डूब रहा है, आपने तैरना शुरू कर दिया,
Mm.
बट एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट डन स्विमिंग, और आपके साइक में तो निकल के आ रहा है यू नो नॉट ओनली अफ्रेड, यू आर आपको तो फोबिया है वाटर का,
Hydrophobia.
लेकिन आप वैसे बता रहे हो कि मैं तो कूद जाऊंगा.
Mm.
कैसे पॉसिबल है? तो आप
Exactly.
इंटरव्यू में बोल रहे हो कि इस
Mm.
तरह का कुछ आपने किया है, लेकिन
Mm.
आपके कहीं पे स्विमिंग का तो कभी आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं है, ना आपका जिक्र आया है, ना आपकी हॉबीज
Mm.
इंटरेस्ट में है, ना आपकी गेम
Mm.
स्पोर्ट्स में है,
Mm.
ना आपकी रूटीन में आता है, ना कहीं पे
Mm.
आता है.
Mm.
सो हाउ इज इट दैट नो यू आर एबल टू डू दिस? So
Mm.
it should not be, something which is detached from reality.
Mm.
And the other thing which which we emphasize, during the training of the IOs also, is that we have to see the ecosystem from which a candidate is coming. Now,
Mm.
ecosystem is when we say, the kind of family background, socio-economic
Mm.
background, the
Mm.
kind of schools that he has been to, the kind of challenges that he may have faced, or vice versa. It could be, he's coming from a very comfort zone,
Yes.
right? फैमिली में उसको ड्राइवर ड्रॉप करने जाता है स्कूल में, तो उसने कभी उस तरह की हार्डशिप देखी नहीं है.
देखी नहीं है.
तो उससे एक्सपेक्ट करना कि ये उस तरह की चीजें इमीडिएटली कर ले, आई थिंक दैट वुड
Mm.
बी टू मच.
Yes.
लेकिन उसमें इंटरेस्ट है और वो
Mm.
करना चाहता है, एंड ही इज
Mm.
मेकिंग एन एफर्ट.
Mm.
Wherever he's got an opportunity, maybe in the school he has done something like this, so
Mm.
it's creditable, right?
Mm.
So that means it's trainable. He is
Yeah.
willing to do that. लेकिन अगर आपके पास में फैसिलिटीज नहीं है और पहले आप वो कुछ नहीं कर पाए, आई गिव यू द एग्जांपल, इंडिया ट्रेनिंग की बात हम कर रहे थे. सो देर आर गाइज नो हु हैव नॉट हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एक्सपोजर. वो किसी गांव से आ रहा है या किसी ऐसे स्कूल से आ रहा है जहाँ पे फैसिलिटीज नहीं होती. देर आर सम स्कूल्स हु आर ओनली फोकस्ड दीस डेज इंक्रीजिंगली ओनली फोकस्ड ऑन आईआईटी
Yes.
प्रिपरेशन, राइट? जेईई के लिए, नीट के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए तो आउट ऑफ बाउंड है. गेम्स पीरियड इज देयर इज नथिंग लाइक अ गेम्स पीरियड,
Yeah.
राइट? सो उनके लिए तो अभी तो इंक्रीजिंगली फ्रॉम 11-12 तो पहले ही होता था, अब वो 9-10 में भी अलाउ नहीं
9,
करते.
10. Exactly.
अगर उसको अलाउ ही नहीं कर रहे हैं गेम्स खेलने के लिए, तो हाउ डू वी एक्सपेक्ट हिम टू बी फिजिकली फिट, स्ट्रांग, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा.
Mm.
लेकिन अगर उसको मौका मिल रहा है तब वो करता है,
Mm.
right? So we try and see this, this 45 minutes of conversation that we have in the interview
Yes.
is bringing out all these things. आपकी daily routine, आपका friends से interaction, आपकी activities, आपका participation in various, NCC, games, sports, hobbies, interests, the way you interact with your family, the kind of activities you do with your family and neighborhood friends and things like that. There's so much, right?
Yeah.
So आपका एक behavior pattern हमें पता लग जाता है, particularly in the interview. So we see the background, and against the background, then we are seeing now a guy. There are two candidates who are getting 90% marks, right? So on paper they seem to be equally competent, right? लेकिन जब हम देखते हैं कि एक person A who's got 90% marks is coming from a well-off family, is home tutor आता है उसके पढ़ाने के लिए, कोई उसको घर में काम नहीं करना पड़ता है, खाली पढ़ाई करने के लिए उसका है और कुछ नहीं है. No responsibility, no nothing else, and he's getting 90%. Now there is another guy who is coming from a I would say a little family which has got challenges, right? Poor स्कूल में फैसिलिटीज नहीं है या टीचर्स नहीं आते हैं, समथिंग अगर उसको ट्यूशन के लिए भी उसके पास में गुंजाइश नहीं है, सुबह वो मे बी दूध बेचने जाता है या दूध निकालने का जो भी है, घर में काम करता है, खेती में काम करता है, कुछ करता है, शाम को कुछ और मदद करता है घर में, ही हैज टू डू इट बिकॉज द फाइनेंसेस डोंट अलाउ खेती करना है या कुछ भी करना है. फैसिलिटीज किसी चीज की नहीं है, लेकिन तब भी वो चाहे वो खो खो खेले या कबड्डी खेले, वो खेलता बहुत अच्छी तरह से, एंड इज डज वेल, राइट? उसके भी नंबर 90 आते हैं. सो नाउ यू सी कि कौन बंदा ज्यादा ट्रेनेबल है. So here we are also looking at the background, the willingness, the interest that a person takes, the drive that one has,
Mm.
right? So this is the kind of thing. So coaching basically ली है नहीं ली है is secondary, right? I mean, it is not detrimental, I would say, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not frowned upon anymore. एक टाइम था जब थोड़ा सा लगता था, हालांकि अल्टीमेट उसमें हम ये देखते हैं कोचिंग से उसने बेनिफिट लिया है कि नहीं, हैज बीन एबल टू use that coaching to good effect. He's done that, it is fine, absolutely fine. So that ये अगर मिथ ऐसा है कि भाई कोचिंग लेके जाएंगे तो पता नहीं क्या बोलेंगे, आपने कोचिंग को ठीक से यूज किया है, इट इज परफेक्टली ऑल राइट, यू आर मेकिंग यूज ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, राइट?
Right,
So
sir.
nothing to feel bad about it or try and hide this, because
Yes, sir.
जितनी चीजें आप हाइड करोगे ऐसा तो नहीं है. IO, when I was doing the interviews in Dehradun and Varanasi, I had formed a list of some 20 odd coaching institutes, and in the first about 3 to 5 minutes I could make out this guy has come from Cavaliers and this guy has come from Minerva, he's come from such and such, इस तरह का होता है. But
without even asking, sir, like you could make out where he was from.
Exactly.
Like, yeah.
Exactly. Because you've been interviewing so many candidates.
Yeah.
और वो वहां से आ रहे हैं, वहां का उनका एक तरीका है, the way he'll approach, the way even some of the coaching institutes they provide dresses, right? तो वो पता लग जाता है कि ठीक है, चलो ये तो कैवलियर वाला है, या ये फिर बालनोई का होगा, something like that.
Yes.
I mean, without. So
Yes,
I am trying to say that these the IO is a guy who's maybe उसके बाल सफेद नजर नहीं आ रहे हूँ, लेकिन he has that experience and that exposure, right? So we know what kind of schools are there.
Yes.
So I'll here itself I'll just try and add to this. Coaching की वाली बात नहीं है. It is about some experience of the interviews that I've done. The two interviews which they stand out.
Yes.
The kind of जिस तरह से कैंडिडेट्स बोलते हैं या अपने को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. Now प्रेजेंट करना is also something very very important today. कुछ होते हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा लाउडली अपने को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. एक PIQ में मैं बोलता हूँ लाउड PIQ, जो आप बहुत उससे ठूस ठूस के भर देते हो, मैंने ये किया ऐसा ऐसा वैसा किया, और चाहे वाकई में उतना किया हो नहीं किया हो, लेकिन वो लगता है ऐसे कि आप बहुत कुछ आपने किया. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड देयर इज अ साइलेंट PIQ, जहाँ पे आपने बहुत कुछ किया हुआ है लेकिन उसमें आप लिख नहीं रहे हो कि मैंने क्या क्या किया है, मैंने क्या क्या पाया है, right? So I'll give you two examples. So one example is there was one candidate who was again a loud PIQ kind of thing, he was a little boastful about things. And he says, okay, I've done national level swimming. I was very impressed. I said, yeah, चलो देखते हैं national swimmer किस तरह का होता है. And we started asking questions. So I asked him, I said, okay, which all competitions have you participated in, at what all level? When you say national, तो generally आप बात करते हो कि school level, inter school, फिर cluster में गए, regional में गए, something like that, and then you reach the national level, right? So he said, sir, I said, how many schools were there in your participation जब तुमने किया? He said, there were 5 schools. I said, 5 schools, तो कौन सा level था, ये cluster था, region था, क्या था? He said, no, sir, it was a national level. तो I said, ये मतलब try and make me understand कि national level कैसे हुआ? He said, actually there were 5 schools, one in the eastern India, one in northern India, one west, in south and central, right? तो जब 5 स्कूल की ब्रांचेस, मतलब एक कोई चेन ऑफ स्कूल्स वाज देयर, सो स्कूल की जब 5 ब्रांचेस थी, दे वर स्प्रेड आउट इन डिफरेंट जोन्स ऑफ इंडिया. जब वो उनका मैच होता तो उसको नेशनल बोल देते थे, राइट? एंड ही हैज अ सर्टिफिकेट नेशनल लेवल. नाउ अभी नेशनल लेवल आपको होता है, यू हैव KV का नेशनल लेवल अलग होता है, CBSE कुछ क्लस्टर का अलग होता है, यू हैव सैनिक स्कूल्स, उनका नेशनल लेवल जोनल अलग अलग होता है. सो यूनिवर्सिटीज का अलग होता है. सो समटाइम्स यू गेट ऑस्ट्रक यार योर नेशनल लेवल है कैसा है, but then we don't take anything for on the face value. The IO doesn't take it on the face value. To maybe 98%, I am not still convinced कि आप होशियार हो, right? So you say I'm a national level swimmer, I still don't believe you till the time I asked some question. So when I asked him these questions, you know, it was very obvious, you know, it was
Mm.
just for the sake of saying so, you know, national level.
Right.
I asked him how many strokes, which all swimming strokes do you know? So he, other than freestyle and butterfly, he didn't know anything else. राइट कितना प्रैक्टिस किया है, कितनी स्विमिंग करते हो, कितना लेंथ करते हो स्विमिंग पूल का. 25 मीटर का स्विमिंग पूल है और उसमें वो 8-10 लेंथ करता है. नो ही थिंक्स दैट इज ग्रेट. सो दिस, इस तरह की जो चीजें होती हैं, नो व्हेन दे ट्राई टू ब्लो अप एंड बोस्ट अबाउट इट, द आईयू वुड कैच ऑन टू इट, राइट. सो दिस इज some loud PIQ wala jo cheez hai. Then there is another guy who was a silent PIQ. So one guy, you know, same NDA he batch ka tha, and he had उसका PIQ मैंने देखा before the interview. Of course we go through the PIQ and you know try and see कि you know कहाँ कहाँ पे query areas हैं, कहाँ पे इसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा improve करना है. So I said यार ये तो इंटरव्यू मतलब कुछ इसने किया नहीं है, ऐसा लगता है. गेम, स्पोर्ट्स, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी एब्सोल्युटली निल, यू नो, सब कुछ उसने ब्लैंक छोड़ा हुआ था या डैश किया हुआ था. सो आई आस्क्ड हिम, एंड इनिशियली जब देखा कि भाई यू नो 8-10 मिनट हो गए इंटरव्यू के, यू नो आई रियलाइज कि his PIQ is not matching with his personality that is emerging in the interview. You know, the kind of his body language, the kind of confidence that he has, the kind of drive he has. You know, it was visible, right? हम body language की बात करते हैं, that speaks a lot about the candidate. तो somewhere I realized कि यार इसमें कुछ तो है जो कि दिख नहीं रहा है. You know, it's not visible in the PIQ. So after some time, I asked him. He had done about 80 odd % marks in 12th, 10th, 12th, which was above average. And rest of the things not done. So I said, okay, you haven't played any games or sports. You know, otherwise, करा क्या है तुमने? मतलब कुछ casually कुछ गया. He knows, sir. Actually, I have played, you know, football. He's represented district. Some cricket. He represented state. Something boxing or something he had done is inter-school best boxer or something. So मतलब for so many achievements he had, and he had not written anything. और भी उसने कुछ किया था athletics. No, he was a high achiever. At the same time, doing reasonably well as far as the academics are concerned. You know, ये बहुत कम होता है कि you know आप दोनों चीजों में अच्छा कर रहे हो. So he was able to balance his academics also. And like I said, no, about 10-15 minutes into the interview, you know, I realized that there is something much more to this candidate than what is appearing on his PIQ. So then I, you know, took the interview and I had to now authenticate everything that he was now saying. That football, he's done this. So I asked him, how many matches have you played? Whom all did you play against? You know, what was your position, etc., etc. Same cricket and, you know, boxing, other things. So, and this took me much more time, you know, because then I had to probe and everything. उससे पूछना था मेरे को, verify करना था. And finally, you know, I realized that, you know, this chap is way higher than, you know, what appears on the face of the PIQ, right? Conference time, the GTO had cleared it. Psych had not cleared him. And of course, I had given him high marks. So the Psych, I asked him, I said, okay, why have you not cleared? Any reasons? This is a कुछ उसने मतलब average candidate है, देखो उसने कुछ खेला कूदा भी नहीं है, nothing like this. I says PIQ, there's nothing written, you know, he's not done anything as well as other activities other than this academics. वहाँ पे भी is not too great. So that is the time when I said, no, he has done so much. So he says he's not written. I said, no, that I have asked him, right? He had lost his certificates somewhere. And because somebody told him, इसे तुम्हारे पास certificate नहीं है, तो तुम इसको बताना मत, नहीं तो वो सोचेंगे झूठ है. So it is not that, you know, we are looking for certificate. Like certificate की मैंने कहानी तुम्हें बता दी है, you know, national level swimmer, right? So अगर खाली certificate से हमें जाना है, then you don't need, you know, interview like that. आप खाली paper certificates देखो और उसको वो कर दो. But certificates can be, you know, misleading.
Yeah.
So when we say, you know, आपको किस तरह का present करना है, you should be clear about it, and one shouldn't shy away from saying something, except that if you lost a certificate, you haven't got a certificate. बट अगर आपने 3 साल 4 साल कोई एक्टिविटी करी है और यू हैव रीच्ड सम लेवल ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंस और एक्सीलेंस, से सो and say कि okay I have done it. It's not a crime to lose something. Yeah, थोड़ा लगेगा casual है, लेकिन you see you are not presenting what achievements you have got. तो आई थिंक अगेन जब मैं यही बोलता हूँ कि अभी एक जो मैं कोर्स भी करने जा रहा हूँ, आई एम सेइंग नो योरसेल्फ टू प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ, राइट? सो आपको अपने बारे में जो भी वो है उसको प्रेजेंट करना जरूरी है. पहली बात देखो कि क्या है आपके बारे में, आप में क्या क्या खासियत है, अचीवमेंट्स क्या हैं, क्वालिटीज क्या हैं, एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू प्रेजेंट इट. Many of the aspirants, they don't know how to present themselves, right? So an interview is a lot about, unless until you say, how do I know that you have done something, isn't it? So ye hai, these are the two different categories of candidates that actually I wanted to highlight. तो इस तरह के बहुत सारे cases आते हैं, but these are the examples. Yeah.
Sir, thank you for that, sir. One more thing I'd like to ask is the daily routine. As in, a lot of candidates are confused after clearing their written exams and everything. They're like, यार SSB के लिए हम क्या daily routine रखें? Do I get up in the morning like a 4G or do something like that? They're very confused as to what it is. Is there any ideal daily routine that you heard over the years or over anything?
नहीं, I will not say ideal daily routine because see इस तरह का बोलोगे तुम मेरे को आइडियल डेली रूटीन, तो बोलोगे तुम्हें पैरा कमांडो बनना है, स्पेशल फोर्स से जाना है. अगर उनके आप वीडियो देखोगे तो वो आपको लगेगा किसी डिफरेंट ही लेवल के हैं. यू डोंट हैव टू रियली गो टू दैट लेवल. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि जो भी आप अभी कर रहे हो, राइट, उससे आप थोड़ा सा फोकस होके और जिस एरिया में आपको लगता है कि आपकी कमी है, that I think that much of awareness or insight people have. Okay, whether I need to improve my stamina, whether I need to improve my awareness, my military service knowledge, my current affairs, right? So distinctly when I am seeing the candidates, मॉक इंटरव्यूज लेता हूँ, ये सब देखता हूँ कैंडिडेट्स को. सो एक तो एनडीए की कैटेगरी है जिसने यूपीएससी एग्जाम पास किया है. ऑफ कोर्स ही हैज सम नॉलेज अबाउट एज फार एज द जीएटी पोर्शन में आपका काफी कुछ कवर हो जाता है, तो ही हैज एक्चुअली स्टडीड दैट. सो ही इज स्लाइटली बेटर ऑफ, आई वुड से बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड, अवेयरनेस लेवल्स थोड़ा सा बेटर है एज अपोज टू अ गाय हु इज गोइंग एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर द टीएस. और वो उसने मतलब इट इज एक थोड़ा सा ऑन सेकंड थॉट्स बोलते हैं ना कि चलो आर्मी ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. सो उसने क्या किया है, ही गॉट अ चांस टू अपीयर डायरेक्टली फॉर द एसएसबी, और अभी तक ही हैड पुट हिज ब्लाइंड्स, ही हैड ब्लाइंड्स ऑन हिज फेस कि लेफ्ट राइट कुछ नहीं देखना है, पीसीएम पीसीबी पीसीएम पीसीबी पीसीएम पीसीएम पीसीएम, ठीक है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. तो ही इज सो कंडीशन टू अ करिकुलम दैट ही इज फॉलोइंग. तो करिकुलम में जो पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक है, सब्जेक्ट है, उसी के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं और उसी को रिवाइज करते जा रहे हैं, राइट? ही इज नॉट लुकिंग एनीथिंग बियॉन्ड दैट. नो, दैट इज नॉट द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन दैट वी आर लुकिंग एट. तो ये जो 2-2 साल कोटा में या सीकर या देयर सो मेनी इंस्टीट्यूट्स नाउ, दे हैव बीन डूइंग ओनली दिस. तो उनकी एक कंडीशनिंग हो जाती है जिससे वो करिकुलम जो बताया जाता है उसके अलावा सोचते भी नहीं है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ कैंडिडेट, I strongly suggest that they remove their blinds first. They decondition themselves from following just the curriculum, because see, current affairs, general knowledge, military service knowledge, there is no curriculum. Right? फौज में भी आपको एज एन ऑफिसर इफ यू गो एंड यू से कि अच्छा ठीक है आपको इस पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट में जाना है, तो उस पोस्ट के बारे में आपको थोड़ा बहुत बताया जा सकता है, बट अनलेस अंटिल यू कीप योर आईज एंड ईयर्स ओपन एंड यू आर स्टडीइंग, यू आर एंटिसिपेटिंग थिंग्स, you can be caught by surprise. Enemy will not follow rules or he'll not follow a curriculum कि मेरे को सुबह इसी रास्ते से जाना है, यहाँ से अटैक करना है, इस तरह का अटैक करना है, वो आपने पढ़ा हुआ है. ऐसे नहीं होता है, that is, so you have to be open to things. You have to So इस तरह के candidates को I say firstly decondition. आप ये you should be willing to learn more, go beyond the curriculum, right? So current affairs, we don't expect a person to know everything under the sun. Current affairs etc. is बहुत vast वो area है. लेकिन I say that no, you should know at least the burning issues. You should know about the service that you're going to join, right? अब वो ज्वाइन करना चाह रहा है इन्फेंट्री और बोल रहा है कि व्हाट आर द आर्म्स एंड सर्विसेज, जैसे आर्मी मेडिकल कोर, आर्मी डेंटल कोर एंड आर्मी सप्लाई कोर, राइट? वो तो कॉम्बैट आर्म्स में जा ही नहीं रहे, कॉम्बैट आर्म्स के बारे में बता ही नहीं रहे, ना कॉम्बैट सपोर्ट आर्म्स के बारे में बता रहे. तो यू नो दीज थिंग्स डोंट मैच. सो ही दैट अवेयरनेस अबाउट द सर्विस, दैट इज. और कुछ चीजें जो होती हैं वो आपके इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करती है. एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आपका क्या है, राइट? आपका सपोज यू नो यू आर क्रिकेट लवर, राइट? सो आज की डेट में अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है, यू नो, आई मीन द यूजुअल क्वेश्चन for the current affairs etc is, okay, so in the last 3 months tell me what all has happened in the country and in the world that you have taken note of. तो हम यहाँ पे ओपन एंडेड चीजें पूछ रहे. वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि टेल मी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन इजराइल और सीरिया और यूक्रेन, राइट? और व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन इंडो चाइना बॉर्डर. We are just giving it open this thing to you. Now you decide what you want to say, right? So obviously, you know, if you say something which is credible, वो ठीक है. आप बोलोगे यार, you know, morning there was an accident on NH8, you know, something truck collided. Now what kind of news is that? Exactly. Right? Say Trump is so the quality of the news. Right? That makes a difference. Then the, like I said, आप cricket enthusiast हो. So आज की डेट में आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, you talk about the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Who stops you? You are a techno guy, you know, आप उसकी you know ऑटोमोबाइल का आपका बड़ा शौक है. आप टेस्ला की बात करो. Who's stopping you? आपको एस्ट्रोनॉमी इंटरेस्ट है, आप you talk about this. You're talking about space technology, etc., etc. So if there is an area of interest, there is always something happening in this sphere in the world or in the country. You can talk about this. So we appreciate that. कि आपका interest है, you know, you are curious to learn about things. So that is where I'm saying, you know, go beyond the curriculum. So it's not that you should know, you know, 10 topics. बट 10 टॉपिक्स आजकल लोग 10-20 टॉपिक्स पता है, इन शॉर्ट्स पढ़ पढ़ के वो हेडलाइन खाली बताते हैं. लेकिन दे डोंट नो द डिटेल में. अगर उनसे पूछ लिया जाए 2 क्वेश्चन उसके बारे में, दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग बियॉन्ड दैट, बियॉन्ड द हेडलाइन. सो इट इज नॉट अबाउट हाउ मच यू नो, इट्स अबाउट हाउ वेल यू नो व्हाट यू नो, एंड देन उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है. इट्स नॉट मेरली द न्यूज दैट हैज हैपेंड. It is the impact of that news, how you infer it, what are the pros and cons, how does it you know apply to the country or to yourself or to somebody else. This is something, you know, this is the difference, you know, when we're talking about awareness levels.
So as such, like last 5 minutes are left, so do you have any last as we come to the end of this podcast, do you have any last advice for someone who is going for SSB in the coming year, in the coming next months? Is there any last advice that you'd like to give from your side?
Yeah, advice, I would say, firstly, you know, as far as interview की specifically बात कर रहा हूँ, कि आपकी अपनी awareness अपने बारे में, insight about yourself should be very much there, right? So आपने क्या किया है, क्यों किया है, कैसे किया है, right? देन आपकी एस्पिरेशंस क्या हैं, आप क्या क्या करना चाहते हो, क्यों करना चाहते हो, राइट? एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, द सर्विस दैट यू वांट टू जॉइन, उसमें आपके क्या वो है, यू नो, लाइक टुडे इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड दैट यू शुड नो. अवेयरनेस के लिए रिसोर्सेज आर plenty of them are available, right? You can't make an excuse, I didn't know, I don't know where to find. Right? So everything is available. So that is one. Then of course, you know, जितना आप अपने बारे में जानोगे उतना ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से आप 70-80% of the questions in the interview pertain to your own life. And you are the best you know person to know about what you have done, why you have done, how you have done.
Yes, sir.
70-80% they emanate from your life, right? Now जो बाकी आपके जो current affairs and service knowledge के बारे में है, उसके बारे में आप देखो and focus on where you want to go and your area of interest. So these things are the things which one should prepare. And yes, communication, extremely important to be able to communicate. Now, you don't have to be very Shashi Tharoor kind of English. आप simple English बोलो, right? अगर अटक जाते हो थोड़ा सा हिंदी यूज कर लो, but try to keep it simple but clear, right? So that is the advice I would like to give. Know yourself well, and try and become more aware, show interest, right? So there are guys who are done very well, but they don't seem to have interest in the service or in service life. Motivation unka kam hai. So even if you're the best of the guy, but without much interest in the service or service life or no motivation for this, we may still not accept you. Yes, right? There have been cases where a guy with a lot of achievements, etc., and cleared by GT, by psych, IU has found him not interested. His motivation level, interest level in the service life is not there, not accepted. Right? So that is motivation or willingness आपकी जो है वो दिखनी चाहिए. All right, sir. Right? Baki, of course, like psych and GT. I mean, we can talk about it. It'll take a much more time. Yes, yeah, but otherwise, yes, one should prepare. And like I said, see कि आपको किस चीज में जरूरत है. By and large, you know what is required. Yes, but आप किस चीज में आप कम पढ़ रहे हो, कमी आपको कहाँ नजर आ रही है, उसमें आप improvement करो. Yes, sir. Right. So I'll end this meeting here only, sir. And thank you so much for your time, sir. As it is, you're a very busy man, I'm sure. But thank you for taking so much time out for this interview. I'm sure every aspirant who's watching this will definitely heed to your whatever advice you've given, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sure, thank you. And it's been nice interacting with you. And wishing you and your channel, your initiative, the Defense Squad, rather than the Josh Squad, right? Yes. All the very best. Thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Hind.